guys, it's Kendra here, MissKenK. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So today I'm bringing you guys a unit from my favorite company, Premier Lace Wigs. You guys know how much I adore Premier Lace Wigs. So I am just going over what comes in the box. We have some adjustable straps. We have some pamphlets with some hair instructions on how to take care of this unit. So let me give you the specs on this unit. This is tightly curly lace front wig. It is Brazilian virgin hair. It comes in a natural color, brown black. It's 14 inches in length and the density is 120% density. So it does have combs in it. You see there's one on the front, the back, and then on each side. And you also get 3 inches of lace parting space. And it does have baby hairs around the perimeter. So as you can see the lace here, you get about 3 inches of parting space and then the rest is tracks. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my head and just show you guys what it looks like. And this is what it looks like without anything being done to it. And as you can see, girl, we got some work to do. So I went ahead and cut off the lace and I'm just, trying to figure out where I want to lay it, how it's going to lay. And it lays pretty nice and secure on my head, meaning it fits the shape of my face. So I'm going to go in with my Got2b glue gel and my freeze spray, and I'm just going to, you guys know my routine here, I'm going to be putting that along the perimeter of my hair. I am using it to slick down my baby hairs. The wig is actually going to lay right on top of my baby hairs, but don't you guys fret because this is gel and not glue, so it's not going to pull out my edges. As you can see, I still have them and I wear wigs all the time. So after I applied the gel, I just applied the freeze spray, and now I'm just going to pull the wig down and place it where I want to place it, and then just secure it. And I don't like to use my fingers because my fingers cause, residue, and I don't want that white residue. So I did lay my baby hairs, and now I'm just wetting the wig down so you guys can see the true curl definition of this unit. And to get even more curls, I'm going to be using my Don't Shrink Gel by Aunt Jackie's. And I'm just going to be putting that all throughout the hair to define those curls and to bring this wig to life. As you can see, guys, we started from dry wig to now it looks very moisturized, very defined. And I'm just taking some of my foundation and putting it on my part and making it look a lot more natural. Now it's starting to look a lot more natural. And let me show you guys the back really quick. It is 120% density, but as you can see, girl, we're gonna need some more hair added to this unit. I know that when it dries, it will cover that, but I still feel like 180% density will be better. I don't like my wigs too thick because then they start to look really wiggy and not as natural. And now I'm just going to take this elastic band and I'm going to put the wig in a ponytail. I don't normally wear ponytails with my wigs, but I just think that with this curl pattern, it looks super cute. And to jazz this ponytail up, I'm going to be taking some of my gold threading that I got from my local beauty supply store. And I'm just going to wrap it around that ponytail just to give it a little bit more jazz and pizzazz. So this is what we have once we are done with that. And I super love the way that this came out. You can wrap it in a bun and it will look really cute. Or you can do like 2 ponytails and it will still look super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the unit down in the description box. And oh, you guys, I got you. There is a discount code. You can get $10 off if you use my code MissKenK, and I will have all information down in the description box for you guys about the discount code. And yeah, like I said, let me know what you think, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.